I encourage you to give that a read through as the day goes on. First things first, IRA, your uniform, any candy pattern, as you guys can see, you're going to be wearing a yellow armband, which will be provided to you. Black and tans, same thing, except you'll be wearing an orange armband, which will be provided.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm good.
I feel like you're gonna be wet.
Yeah.
I like that, redneck Disneyland. There we go. Ha! He's pulling that thing sideways.
Oh yeah. There he goes.
Yep.
Oh shit.
There it went.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, what channel are you running?
We're on 5. We're going down. What was that, Tim?
We're good.
We're done.
Alright guys, we're a little heavy back there.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Here.
Put these under the tires, shit good. I'm not doing this far.
Hold this. Yep. The same.
Good to go, pretty much.
Good to go. Contact, contact, contact. Hold fire, hold fire.
Anthony, check him out. Hands up!
Hands down now!
On the ground!
Move!
They are up.
Get on the ground!
On the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't think you take it! Get on the ground!
I can't give you where I'm here to give you if I get on the ground.
Get on the ground!
Hey, watch guy, top right, top right.
I'm just here to give you guys a business card. Check him out. I'm gonna go. Lock the cover.
I got cover.
Alright, what you guys offering? Put the rocket down. Put the rocket down. Barrels down. Barrels down. Barrels down. Step 3 steps away from the rocket. Do what he says.
Nick, stay with the rocket.
For recon, for us to go find something for you, is 5,000.
Hold here, set up perimeter.
Copy.
You have a vehicle on the road, 12 o'clock, over.
Get off the button!
That's fucking cool. Yes, for taking out vehicles. Oh yeah.
You gotta get out.
Oh yeah.
Wow. A lot of money.
Ex-military, police. Well,
I guarantee there's a ton of money wrapped up in him.
Yeah.
this guy, yeah.
Yeah.
Take him over yonder, have him start making some
explosives, and I will get him some food and candy.
Huh? 2 moving left! 2 moving left! 3 moving left!
UN, lower it! Lower it!
Today, we're kind of chilling here. I'm chilling here with Jake, who just got a leg cramp, and Raphael. Yeah, I'm sitting here with a good old rocket launcher and my M4, a couple extra shells. He's got an SVD and he's got an M4. He's just looking sexy with his M4. And I got my pack. We just came across a problem, and we're sitting out here. We've been out here for about an hour, and it just started snowing. So I'm sitting here in a combat shirt, and
Want a hand warmer, dude?
no, I'm good. But you know, this is just we're waiting on the enemy truck to come down this here.
We got an enemy vehicle.
Do we? Okay, here we go.
Up at the hill.
Oh, okay. We got a vehicle on that hill, right there,
We have men up there.
and we have men up there. We're kind of the fallback point,
It's
and
definitely not mercs.
not mercenaries. So.
I asked him, I was like, don't double, make sure you
Okay, who's calling the horn? Who's getting the horn?
He said not to do the horn.
Why not?
So,
Okay. Okay, hey. Are we, hey, once we start shooting. Hold on. Okay.
My nutsack is gonna meet
3, 2, 1, go. Get up! Get up! Get up!
It was funny too because when Mike started.
It's still kind of on fire.
He's all.
snoring. You see the one next to him, and he stops.
I don't know, I think that's too easy, Mr. Adam Welch can count.
CO2's all fucked up.
Throw it back up. It's like dodgeball. If you catch it. Hey, yeah, it's like dodgeball. If you catch the rocket.
Drop some of us off before we get there, so we don't have to exfil like out of this thing.
No, we're gonna exfil right in the middle of their fucking bed. I'm just gonna like let the first 3 guys get killed because I don't like him. And no, just kidding. You're rad. Anybody with the name Poop Slayer? That's rad.
You're gonna be YouTube famous.
Ow!
Go!
Cover! Cover! It's right here in my.
Hey, move up on the ridge line.
Here. He's down.
They're ours too. Got one clean spoon, I just cleaned it.
With what?
Yeah, just
Water and
we can
my
use it to
pants.
take out vehicles. Our objective was to rescue the UN, right? And so
Yeah, I was with you guys.
Yeah.
Just ate a fuck ton of pistachio.
Clay and
Clayton, here.
Just 2 C4s for some fast pop thing, drop it in.
I love you.
would
You have
anyone
to
like
let
a
them
sweet
know,
potato
though.
chip?
That's why I'm wearing a helmet.
Yeah.
Please.
RPG!
God
Fucking hey! Go, 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 go!
Get my rifle, get it. Rock the man up. Go! That's the perimeter here. That's it.
RPG!
On the tree there. Down. Fuck down. That was a good hit.
That was solid. Did they hit with an RPG? Yeah. And now they're gonna hit an IED. It's back right here.
You want it when we get out?
Alright, so it sounds like the UN is at the enemy FOB, guys.
Firefight going.
Still good? They're good. They left. They got out.
Yeah, ain't nobody gonna tailgate us now. Shoot, they're gonna blow the vehicle up. Go, take him. Oh, hit. Nice shot, dude.
Good shot.
What?
Aww.
And he goes fast.
She just kind of looks at us. It's like, and we're not.
Where do you want it?
Ah. Ah. Wow. Do you have enough guns on you? It's about to go down right now. Three down left. Jane, do you have an IFAC? Hey, do you have an IFAC? Watch out, watch out! You're hit! Watch out, watch out! You're hit too! Medic! Medic!
Okay, who?
Me? Just around my arm. And then him. He's about to bleed out. Backwards. No! Execute. Execute. Huh? Do I need to say it? Woo! Are you alive? Okay. Execute. 12 o'clock. Each time it's getting like... Oh, got him! What do you want, high cap?
Hi, bro. It's a firefighter.